Stay home, stay safe, and make some extra money online by giving your simple opinion. In the event that you are new to paid surveys, you may possibly speculate, how do I begin making money by taking on the net surveys? This video is a guideline for paid survey newbies, and make sure you follow the guidelines step by step. 1. Keep in mind this, don't pay any person to do paid online surveys in any way. It is generally free to do paid surveys and get money. Authorized paid survey and market research firms do not charge you, in fact they pay you for your opinion. 2. Create a devoted email account. You will receive a lot of emails and you require a separate email address for survey invite emails. Note, you'll have to turn off your spam filter or establish the spam filter option to not erase emails in the spam folder instantly. Normally you may miss survey emails. Join our survey sites now, and get $10 sign-up bonus. Click the link available in the description below. 3. You may well want to open up a free PayPal account. Various survey sites provide their payment via PayPal. It's 100% free to send money, and 100% free to accept payment in the event that you have a basic account. A low transaction fee makes use of Premier and business accounts to get cash, and it is generally faster than check payment. 4. Register with all the real online survey businesses you can find, starting with the top 10 cash-paying survey panels. Be sure to verify your survey panel membership. This often entails clicking the link in the confirmation email coming from the survey panel following signing up. This is an essential step for sign up. I recommend you take time to subscribe with all the genuine survey sites you can find. Join our survey sites now and get $10 sign-up bonus. Click the link available in the description below. 5. Suggestions on staying away from scams. A. If you come across a survey internet site, make sure to check their policy. If you are not content with the privacy or they don't have an online privacy policy, avoid them. B. Take note of the main difference among paid survey sites and get paid sign-up offer internet pages. The latter oftentimes state they are survey sites, in fact their particular main business is paid offers. They are the places you get paid for registering offers, and often you need to pay or offer credit card data while signing up for no-cost offers. C. Avoid from any websites, paid or free, offering known scam or spam. Commonly those sites state they have a list of 300 plus, 400 plus, or even 500 plus paid survey sites. The fact is there are not 300 survey sites that pay. They are just marketing anything at all they can find for commissions, regardless of its scam or spam, and can't be trusted. 6. Tips on performing surveys. A. Be genuine with your personal profile details when joining survey corporations. B. Respond survey invitations promptly. Many surveys have quota and a lot of fill fast, especially large paying and fast to qualify surveys. 7. Tips on getting paid. Make certain to keep the invitation emails for the surveys that you meet the requirements and finished, especially those on the Web Interactive Surveys focus group. You want to have proof for your involvement when there is an issue. 8. Be patient. This is very essential for survey newbies. It can take a while to receive money since many survey sites have minimal payout needs and it will take time for them to process payment. Likewise, it requires a while to acquire more surveys. Join our survey sites now and get $10 sign-up bonus. Click the link available in the description below.